Grabe yung emotions na nilabas mo sa senior high and yung hugot nun. So, how do you separate yourself sa angst ng character mo when you go offset na?
Actually po, to be honest, nung nag-start yung senior high, di ba parang yung mga impression ng tao, ano meron kay Z? Baliw ba to? May something ba to sa utak? When I was doing Z, I did not know the reason why she was like that. As in, nahirapan ako portraying my character. Kasi sabihin, okay, Daniela, mababasa ko yung script ko. Ay, ba't nagwawala ako dito? Ba't ako ganito? Bakit ganyan? Eh, hindi pa kasi pwede sabihin kung sino yung killer nung time na yon. So, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Iiyak na naman ako, nagwawala na naman ako. Wala akong mahugot. Wala akong mapulot because I don't know why she was like that. So, nangyari is, gumagawa-gawa na lang ako. I'm basing it based on my own experience na parang nagwawala ako, umiiyak ako, sumisigaw ako based on my own experience. Minsan, parang uuwi ako, hindi ko na lang alam bakit, nakaganyan ako, nakasimangot ako and all. Hanggang sa parang natuto ako to separate myself from my character nung kahit pa paano naaral ko na yung character ko. Ganon. Siguro you have to get to know your character and separate your personal life from your character kasi mahirap po siya. Honestly, kasi that's what I used to do. Dati rom-com medyo madali lang, it's not mabigat. Pero for heavy characters like this, I don't think it's healthy to put your personal life to it.